In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo ATM withdrawal has been declined. So if your withdrawal or payment has been declined, that may be because your payment cannot be completed. So what you can do is you can head over and then try adding money to your Venmo balance in order so the actual card do not be declined. Another option that you can do is you can head over and make sure that your card is not locked or frozen. So head over to your application, tap on your card, and make sure that it was unfrozen or it's actually unlocked so you can process a withdrawal on your Venmo ATM. Now, once you have done those, you can head over and then try to withdraw again onto the ATM, and you should be able to receive your money directly from there. You can also try to use a different bank account or card as your payment method if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.